Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix language bar missing from Windows 10 taskbar. First method is, click Start Settings. Click Personalization. Click Taskbar. Click Turn System Icons on or off. Turn on Input Indicator. If same problem still exists, second method is, click Start, Settings. Click Devices. Click Typing. Click Advanced Keyboard Settings. Check Use the desktop language bar when it's available. Click Language Bar Options. Check Docked in this taskbar. Click Apply, OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.